All right, we're gonna make an omelet right now. Got some salami, pepperoni, and some ham. Get in there. Yeah. Fire it up for a minute. I ain't trying to cook the shit out of it. I'm just gonna heat it up. It's gonna go on an omelet anyway. You know. As long as the pan's hot, we're good. Get all that out there. A little bit left, that's all good. Some eggs now. Make you a nice omelette. Let that sit for a minute. That's 4 eggs, so that's she's thick. Let it get down with the get down. I got the broiler on too, so I'm gonna get the top done some. Oh yeah, it's getting there. Sling it around a little bit. Get some more on the sides. Alright, I'll throw this in the oven. Oh yeah, and you know I forgot to take that cast iron skillet out there again. Motherfucker. Alright, in there. Put that in there for a minute. Put all this stuff in there. Alright, there it is. Don't forget a little Italian seasoning and some ketchup on your omelet. Alright, come at the broiler. The broiler is amazing, bro, because it's just the top done, the bottom's done. Put all this meats in there. You can get all the meats. Get in there, meat. And some cheese. The cheese did not cooperate. Busted up, kind of. But that's okay. Put that back in there for a minute. Yeah. Sorry, cast iron skillet. They ain't gonna hurt you none. That's good enough. There you go. When I flip, you flippity flip. Boom. That's an omelet right there. Woo! All right, there you go. My Thanksgiving homies. Here's my Italian omelet. All right, there it is. Don't forget a little Italian seasoning and some ketchup on your omelet.